Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to blur the background of your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. First, go to Color tab. Next, select the window tool and then choose an outline around the subject you want to keep in focus. Now select and click the track forward and DaVinci Resolve will automatically track your mask throughout every frame in the video. And once tracking is complete, right-click your node and select Add Node, then choose Add Outside. Go to Effect panel, then search for Gaussian Blur and drag it into Outside node. And from here, you can adjust the blur intensity using the Gaussian blur slider until you achieve your desired look. And that's it. You've successfully blurred the background in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.